Good morning, everyone. We are in Branson, Missouri. George and I are here with some friends, and we thought we'd get out and get a little hike in, and I can cross off another state off my list. So we're doing the Roark Creek Waterfall Trail. I think it is about 1.5 miles total, back to the waterfall and back out. And yeah, so should be a lot of fun. They have had a little bit of rain before we came here, so I'm hoping that there's going to be a waterfall. So I will see you, and I'll see you down the trail. Oh. Oh. Rocks are slippery. Oh, squirrel. So this trail does go right up against the Westgate Resort. Like the parking is right next to the gate. And then back here it gets really close to the building. So check out the resort a little bit. So we just got really lucky. George was sitting right there trying to turn around, and he fell in between all those rocks.
This question sometimes, though, it looks an awfully lot like you brought me to the altar.
I promise you I did not bring you out here to sacrifice you.
But Tanya, there is the sacrifice. George, the Lord will provide for that.
He's on his way.
Did I slip or did I get pushed down? I don't remember.
The sacrifice was already made.
You were on the scene awful quick. Aaron Reed.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I promise. That was really scary though. One minute he was walking, and the next minute he was down on the ground. So the trail goes another half a mile down past the waterfall, but we had planned on just going to the waterfall and turn around and going back. There's not really anything that I'm aware of to see after the waterfall, so and we didn't want to take any more chances with clumsy George. So but this is a beautiful hike. I definitely recommend it. Great little swimming hole here by the waterfall. Actually, both of the waterfalls is a good place to kind of go around and get wet. But yeah, it's right inside of the city of Branson by the Westgate Resort. So definitely check it out. There are lots of other places to hike here in town. Table Rock State Park is here. They have several trails. I just looked it up on AllTrails and looked at the reviews to kind of see what it was like. And this was the one that we decided to pick on. The others had good observation points and views and stuff, but we decided since it's going to be so hot here that we would come get wet and cool off a little bit. So yeah, definitely a good choice. Wish George hadn't fallen though. So just thankful that he's okay, because that could have been really bad. We have about 3/4 of a mile to get back out, and if he had broken something, that would not have been good. So we are very blessed today. So I will see you down the trail, okay? So I tried getting George crossing the creek. I'm standing right here, back up and trip over that log, but I'm okay. And that's going to be the last fall. We're not going to have any more. We're going to be extra careful and take our time.
The last day of spring, we've had 2 falls.
We are over it. Alright. We are back out to the road. So parking is over here. This is Westgate, and then this is the trail. Just to kind of give you an understanding of where to go when you come.